Creating passive income is literally one of the most powerful things that you can do, because ultimately you're freeing up your future time and building wealth through the compound effect. So the work that you do today can continue to pay you over and over and over again every single day in the future. Because would you rather spend 8 hours working a job just to earn money for today, or would you rather spend 2 hours every single day over the next year just creating these simple mini passive income machines, so that once they are built and up on the internet, which can take literally 10 minutes or less, then you're going to be able to have each of those adding up over time and generating you potentially a full-time income, regardless if you show up to work that day or not. Hey guys, Angie here, and on this channel we love to talk about all things passive income as well as print on demand. So today I'm going to be walking you through all of the crucial steps in order to get started in creating these passive income machines. And the first couple steps are often left out when mentioning how to get started and be successful in the most efficient way. So if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because on this channel we like to keep it simple. So if you're a fan of all things simple, then you're going to love the videos here. So one of the very first things that I recommend when you're starting your print on demand journey is to find a community to join, because with a community you're going to be able to interact with like-minded people. You're going to be able to ask questions, bounce ideas off of each other, and get inspired. So I invite you to join my print on demand community on Facebook, and this is going to be linked down below in the description. Everyone is super pumped up and helping each other along the way. Next, you're going to need to select your print provider, the company that is going to print and ship the products to your customers on your behalf, so you do not have to handle inventory or shipping yourself. Now, there are lots of different options out here for companies to partner with, and I have personally chosen Printify, and they have 4 million sellers around the world that use this platform. As you can see, it's 100% free to use. You only pay for a product once a customer has already made a purchase from you. You're going to have 800 products to choose from. You get high profit margins, because if you compare all of these different print providers out here, you will find, just like I did, that Printify actually has some of the lowest prices for products out of all the print providers. So that means you get higher profit margins, and they have so many different print providers to choose from that you're going to be in good hands, especially when it comes to peak holiday seasons. And as we've already mentioned, 800 different products to choose from. Next, you want to pick which products that you're actually going to sell, and I recommend starting with one product, because that is going to be the most efficient for you to create a template for and list very easily and efficiently. If you have to switch between different templates for different products, it's really going to slow you down. So start with one, and you have a whole catalog of products to choose from clothing, accessories, and home and living. You can also sort by bestsellers, assembled in the USA, and so forth. Now, there are a lot of people out here that will tell you not to do t-shirts in 2023 because it's saturated, but I can assure you, I am currently working with hundreds of Etsy sellers that are starting their t-shirt stores right now in 2023, and so long as you are listing consistently and using a data-driven tool such as Sales Samurai to help you do your research and find those low competition, not saturated niches and products, you too can crush it with t-shirts, yes, in 2023. So you have your catalog here, and you can select t-shirts. You have a whole selection of different t-shirt brands as well as print providers to choose from. The two t-shirts that I sell is Bella Canvas 3001 from Monster Digital, and the Comfort Color 1717 from print provider Swift POD. Next, you want to decide which platform that you want to sell your products on, and Printify integrates with so many different platforms, including Shopify, eBay, Walmart. I personally choose Etsy to sell on,
And as you can see here, it says Etsy has been steady for a decade, but has experienced a staggering increase in sellers over the past few years, and $3.8 billion in total sales for Etsy sellers in 2021. That was a 35% year-over-year growth in revenue. And the reason why so many of us choose Etsy is because it is beginner friendly, and they have a huge customer base of, I believe it is 93 million right now. And they have achieved nearly 1 billion registered user sessions over the last year, and they are continuing to grow. Etsy also has built-in marketing tools that allows you to grow your business 100% on that platform without social media, without Facebook ads, without doing anything else to grow your business off of the platform. Of course, you do have to treat it like a business, right? This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You are going to have to put in some work, but it's simple work. And if you can do simple tasks day in and day out, then you too can succeed with this. And next, you're going to need a very simple research tool so that you can type in the products and keywords that you are looking to use in your listings, because this is ultimately how customers are going to get to your listings and purchase, because Etsy is a search engine. Customers come there with buyer intent. They are typing phrases in such as somebody's loudmouth mama, or some type of gift related keywords such as Mother's Day gift, Mother's Day t-shirt gift. And then you can type this in the search bar over on Sales Samurai, and you can see how many people are searching for that term every single month. So for this example, there are 1,150 searches, and we can see the competition is 2,113. So that means there's that many listings on Etsy that you will be competing with. Now, oftentimes you will type something in here and it'll say 50,000 plus. So that's a whole lot of other listings that you would be competing with. So you want to get yourself some lower competition keywords so you're not lost in a sea of other listings on Etsy. So we could do something as simple as this: coffee and books. Simple. And then you download this with a transparent background and simply upload it to Printify in order to publish it over to Etsy. So I do tell people all the time, keep it simple. I've had students tell me that they really enjoy learning from me because I am a big fan of keeping it simple, and this is literally as simple as it can be. So if you have simple computer navigation skills, you can type phrases on a template like this. You can type keywords into a tool just to view the search volume. And if you can upload something onto Printify, you too can definitely do this. And I am going to link a bunch of resources for you down below in the description so you can practically get started doing this for free, right? You get a free trial to Canva. You get a free trial to Sales Samurai. Printify is free to use until you make a sale. You will have to have a credit card on file in order to cover the orders that are going to your customers until Etsy transfers the money into your bank. But this is as low risk of a business model as you can find on the internet. And last but not least, you want to commit to daily action. Show up to your business every single day, create designs, upload them, publish them to Etsy every single day. If you can do that, you can win. And make sure that you're participating in a community. Get yourself involved, right? Don't be a wallflower sitting in the background. Actually participate. Answer other people's questions. Ask questions. Support other people that are excited when they are making sales, and then your sales too will come, right? Learn to celebrate wins with other people and don't allow that to demotivate you, right? Share in their excitement, and that excitement is contagious. This was a very condensed version of what's in my free Etsy bootcamp where we go a little more in depth. So I'd like to also invite you to my free training over 7 days period of time where you can get one video per day to your email and start getting set up with everything there is to get started with this passive income machine. Every single time you put a new listing on Etsy, then that is going to live in your store for the life of your store or until you delete it, and it continues to bring you passive income day after day after day without you having to fulfill any orders. Doing this is absolutely the best use of your free time, and the compound effect will take over and you will be blown away by the results. So let's crush it. I'm excited for your success.
So I hope you're pumped to get started on your passive income journey and joining the community that I have put together for you. You don't have to understand the full picture to get started, right? You just have to take that first step, and as you continue to go, you will learn, and over time it will become very simple. You can just crank out one listing after another. Even if you go very slowly, right, it's better to at least get one listing up per day than do nothing at all. And now that you are all set up and ready to rock and roll with those first initial steps, I'm going to link for you on the screen here my full Etsy playlist so you can go through that and learn more tips and tricks for succeeding with print on demand. Make it an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.